Welcome students. Maths part first, 10th standard, lesson number 2, quadratic equations. Now we are going to study nature of roots of quadratic equation, relation between roots of quadratic equation and coefficients to obtain quadratic equation having given roots. Now the first point is nature of roots of quadratic equation. Any quadratic equation in its standard form is given by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In order to find this quadratic equation or to find the roots of quadratic equation, we use the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now the term b square minus 4ac is called as a discriminant. And it is denoted by delta. Depending upon the value of a discriminant or b square minus 4ac, we can decide the nature of roots of quadratic equation. If delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Then roots of this quadratic equation are real and equal. If the value of discriminant, that is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. And third case is if the value of discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. Thus, if we find b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant, then we can decide the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Now the next point is relation between roots of quadratic equation and coefficients. This quadratic equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and its solution is x is equal to minus b plus minus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, we have two roots here. First root is given by alpha is equal to minus b. We take plus sign here, plus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And the second root is beta is equal to minus b minus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And thus this equation has two roots, alpha and beta. Then the sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta is given by minus b upon a is equal to, what is b? B is the coefficient of x, and what is the a? A is the coefficient of x square, Then product of roots is equal to alpha into beta is given by c upon a. C is a constant term is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Thus, this is the relation of between the roots alpha and beta and the coefficients a, b and c here. Now if we know the roots of quadratic equation as alpha and beta, we can form that quadratic equation. That is, to obtain quadratic equation having given roots. If alpha and beta are the roots of given quadratic equation, then we can form that quadratic equation as x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. That is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Thus we can obtain quadratic equation by using given roots. It is set 2.5. Question number 2. Find the values of discriminant for the following quadratic equation. Example number 2 is 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with its standard form. Therefore, we write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 10. We have to find discriminant. Discriminant is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 5 square minus 4 into a is a 2 into c is a 10 is equal to minus 5 square is a 25 minus 10 into 2 20 into 4 that is 80 and 25 minus 80 will be minus 55. Therefore, value of discriminant here is a minus 55. Example number 3. Comparing this equation with its standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 root 2 here. Now the value of discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b is a 4 square minus 4 into a is a root 2 into c is a 2 root 2. That equal to 4 square is a 16 minus this is a 4 into 2 is a 8 root 2 into root 2 is a 2. Therefore 16 minus 8 into 2 is a 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Therefore value of discriminant here is a 0. Now question number 3. Determine the nature of roots of following quadratic equations from their discriminant. At first we have to find the discriminant and the nature of that quadratic equations from discriminant. We know that if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, roots are not real. Now solve example number 2. 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 2. Let us find discriminant. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Value of b is minus 7 square minus 4 into a is a 2 and c is a 2. Therefore minus 7 square is a plus 49 minus 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 is a 16. 49 minus 16 is 33, and that value of 33 is greater than 0. Therefore delta is greater than 0. When delta or b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. Therefore roots are real and unequal. Now example number 3. M square plus twice m plus 9 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1 half m square. Coefficient of m square is 1. Now b is equal to 2 and c is a constant term, c is equal to 9. Now let us find delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b is a 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 9. 4 into 1 into 9. 2 square is a 4 minus 4 into 1 into 9. 9 4 are 36. Therefore 4 minus 36 is minus 32. Minus 32 is less than 0. Therefore delta less than 0. Therefore roots are not real. Question number 4. Form the quadratic equation if the roots are. Example number 3. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Two roots are given here. We know that roots of quadratic equation are alpha and beta. Therefore we take alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Let us find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Then alpha into beta is equal to 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Therefore, required quadratic equation is given by, we know the formula for quadratic equation as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus alpha plus beta value is 0. 0 into x plus alpha into beta is minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x square, this will be 0. X square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0 is required quadratic equation. Now example number 4. In this example, let alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus root 5. Now let us find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. This minus root 5 and plus root 5 will get cancelled. Therefore 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now alpha into beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5 is equal to, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. That answer is a square minus b square. A square is a 2 square minus b is a 5 root 5 square. 2 square is a 4 and root 5 square is a 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Now required quadratic equation is given by x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus alpha plus beta is 4. 4 into x plus alpha into beta is minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 is required quadratic equation. Question number 5. Find k if the sum of roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0 is double their product. Now given quadratic equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4k and c is equal to k plus 3, this value. Now let us find the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to, we know the formula, minus b upon a is equal to minus in bracket minus 4k upon value of a is 1. So minus minus will be plus 4k and alpha into beta is equal to, that formula is a c upon a. Here value of c is k plus 3. K plus 3 upon a is a 1, that equal to k plus 3. Now it is given that sum of the roots is double their product. Therefore according to given condition, sum of the roots means alpha plus beta is equal to double the product means 2 into alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is 4k and 2 into alpha plus alpha into beta is k plus 3. 4k is equal to 2 in bracket k plus 3. Therefore 4k is equal to, multiply by 2, 2k plus 6. Therefore this 2k on the left side minus 2k is equal to 6. 4k minus 2k, 2k is equal to 6. Therefore k is equal to 3. Therefore value of k is equal to. Now question number 6. If alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0, find the value of number 1 alpha square plus beta square, number 2 alpha cube plus beta cube. Now given quadratic equation is given quadratic equation is y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Now find the sum of roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a is equal to minus in bracket value of b is minus 2 upon a value of a is 1. This minus 2 minus minus become plus, that will be 2. Then alpha into beta is equal to c upon a is equal to value of c is a minus 7 and value of a is a 1. Therefore minus 7 upon 1 is equal to minus 7. Now we have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So we know the formula alpha plus beta bracket square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha into beta. From this, value of alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha into beta. Therefore put the values of here alpha plus beta. Value of alpha plus beta is a 2. 2 square minus 2 square minus 2 into value of alpha into beta is minus 7. Therefore 2 square is a 4. Here minus minus will be plus. 2 into 7 is a 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. Therefore we have value of alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. This is the first answer. Now we know the formula alpha plus beta bracket cube is equal to, what is that formula? It is alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha into beta in bracket alpha plus beta. Now we have to find this value alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha into beta in bracket alpha plus beta. Substitute the values. Alpha plus beta, that is a 2 cube minus 3 into alpha into beta is minus 7 and alpha plus beta value is here alpha plus beta is value 2 is equal to 2 raised to 3 is 8. Now this minus minus will be plus and 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2, that is 42, and 8 plus 42 is 50. Therefore we get alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50 here. Find the value of k if the roots of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. We know that if the roots of given quadratic equation are real and equal, the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, is equal to 0. So we have to find in both examples the value of b square minus 4ac, and that is to equate equal to 0, and then we can find the value of a k here. Now given quadratic equation is 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with its standard form. Therefore we write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to k, c is equal to 12. Now let us find the value of discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to value of b is a k. Therefore k square minus 4 into value of a is a 3. 4 into 3 into 12. Therefore k square minus 4 into 3 12. 12 into 12 is 144. Roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. This value should be 0. Therefore value of k square minus 144 is equal to 0. Therefore k square minus 12 square, 144 is a 12 square, is equal to 0. This is in the form of a square minus b square. It has two roots, a minus b and a plus b. Therefore it has two roots, k minus 12 into k plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore we have k minus 12 is equal to 0 or k plus 12 is equal to 0. From this we got k is equal to 12 or k is equal to minus 12. These are the values of k. K is equal to 12 or k is equal to minus 12. Now let us solve example number 2, and that example is kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Let us write this equation in its standard form. So multiply kx in bracket, therefore we get kx into x, that is a kx square, minus kx into 2, that is a 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with its standard form. Therefore we get comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From this value of a is equal to k, value of b is minus 2k, and value of c is equal to 6. Let us find the value of discriminant delta. That is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b is minus 2k bracket square minus 4 into a is a k and into c is 6 is equal to minus 2k bracket square, that will be 4k square, minus 4 into 6, that is a 24k. Now roots are real and equal, therefore delta will be 0. Roots are real and equal, therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore this value 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Take 4k common, 4k in bracket, k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 0 means k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. Now let us see, for the value of k is equal to 0, if we put k is equal to 0, this term becomes 0 and only there remains 6, and 6 is equal to 0 is not possible. So for k is equal to 0, quadratic equation does not exist. Therefore we write for k is equal to 0, quadratic equation does not exist. Therefore k not equal to 0. Therefore we have the value k is equal to 6.